Alright, so here's the thing. I did try to make some sort of makeup tutorial in 10 minutes. Wala siya stop. As in, continuous lang ang video. But, wala na save ang video. I don't know if because puno na akong drafts. Ako man tanto post diretso. Pero wala man siya na save. So, okay. So, muna siya ang makeup was able to come up with earlier sa 10-minute video. This is like simple kana pang everyday lang na go to the office makeup na more siya, no makeup. Okay, was able to do my kilay. I think the kilay is already okay. So I'm thinking, since wala man to na post, I'll do some enhancement. Kay medyo narattle ko sa end. Kay was doing, I think, mga middle na po sa eyes. And then, of course, the blush on. Of course, ang kilay, it would take time. Doing the 10-minute video earlier kay more paspas pero karon kay more hinay na siya kay maybe because yeah, I did some sort of nagwamasad ko. What do you call that? Primer. And then I did not do the foundation. I used the concealer instead. So sa akong base, I did that. I mean, I used the Dazzle Me. This is not sponsored, by the way. Dazzle Me makeup primer. So used to know, but I just bought this last December, I think, or November, maybe November. Okay, I used this for the Christmas party, company party, year-end party. And the Dazzle Me concealer, not sponsored again. And for the kilay, I used, where's that Focallure na pang eyebrow. Ito bitaw na yung more like 3-tip na pen for the brows. Wait, asa dito? Here you go. So the Focallure. I was not able to name some of the brands I used for the makeup. So Focallure for the kilay. And then my supervisor gifted me this pretty secret nga eyeshadow palette. So I actually used this more reddish brown na shade sa middle. And then sa pang highlight sa my lower brow kay I used, where it is, kaning Careline highlighter. This is the Careline Glow Getter na siya contour, blush, and then highlight. So contour, blush, highlight. So kani siya. And then for the blush, of course, I used na powder kay Merg narattle ko. So I was supposed to use the, where is it? Oh, this one, kaning Vice. Actually mo yung ganya kong everyday good, sort of everyday na ka nga kaang pang blush mo ni siya. Das to set kay medyo creamy man ni siya. To set it, I use this one sometimes, not all the time though. Kay I put this one man sa akong bag so I can just retouch if I need to. But I don't use this sa lips. I'm not really a fan of cream. Dali mo siya mapapasuot sa lips. But for some reason, kani siya. So this is the Holly Beauty na, it's like a multi-stick, I think. Yeah, I think this is a multi-stick. But sa mga vloggers or content creators na akong nakita is they use this for the cheeks and lips. But me, most of the time, I use this sa lips. Sometimes sa cheek po. Actually, nindot mo siya sa medyo kan siya. I mean, maybe it needs a little bit of practice kay I'm not a fan of matte but this is kind of matte, powdery. But I really like the color man good, so I don't mind it's matte and powder, but it's powdery man good. So kanang lightweighter siya sa lips. Actually, this man siya akong gigamit sa lips karon. So, for some reason, I did kanang nakoncho ko na in love ko sa color ani, and then it took me months to decide whether I would purchase this one or not. Kay kind of pricey na siya for me. Yeah, medyo kuriputon ko, so yeah, kind of pricey na siya for me. So that's it. So oh my god, so I only have 4 minutes. So what do I do to enhance this makeup look? So let's try though. The Uptown Girls palette, eyeshadow palette sa Focallure. So ang pinakagamit na ko is kaning shimmer, kay I use this sa katong party, and then sa fantasy fairy tale na kanang Christmas party theme sa mga friends. But for today, what should I use to enhance this? I think okay, later I'm gutong reddish brown. Siguro let me try and use kaning gani siya. Mag-glitter ta. Yeah, let's try the glitter. To enhance the eyes, I think. Did it do anything? Or wala lagi? And she wouldn't mo daw kong eyes. So I think that's the reason why di ka siya halata. Maybe a little bit of enhancement naman sa ni. Kanang pero maklaro lang siya if you go to the office. And kanang more mo pop lang kamay mo ang eyes. I think this is okay na. Did it do anything? Feeling ako wala. May problema sa hooded na eyes. Kaya more di kayo siya mahalata. Kailan siya ka ng multiple application sometimes. Pero lang should mo pop ang color. Slight. See, kapag inaanan niyo mo, diba, marag nawala na. But if you do that, it's there naman. A little bit of pop lang, I guess. There. I think that's fine. Is it fine? Is it fine? Charlotte. And then, sa cheeks na. I'm okay with my lips na. Actually, long-lasting sa to siya nga kaning Holly Beauty. Long-lasting siya sa sa akong lips. Yeah, it's actually long-lasting. And then, a little bit of enhancement lang sa cheek. Since wala pa siya ni kanina. I think I just had enough time para diba? I think I just had enough time para enhance naman sa ni siya. Pero maklaro-klaro lang ba? Or gisag pa. Sun-kissed ano lang. And then a little bit of pop. Do I need more? Do I need more? Maybe let's go back sa eyes. What else do I need to put para pop ang color? Actually, ang purpose really is just to make the eyes pop. Let's try to put kanang gold. Okay, there. I think that's fine. And then comb lang sa hair. It's okay na. Hindi siya maklaro. But yeah, I think this should be fine. No makeup look lang gyapon. Wala kay difference. Maybe pop lang sa cheeks na color. Right?